Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your handwriting into a font for free. So in order to do so, we will need to use a website called Calligrapher. So you can go and open any browser, go to the URL section, and here make sure to type C-A-L-L-I graph and add just an R at the last, then .com. Hit the enter button and this should take you to their websites right away. After that, you'll have to go and just click on get started for free to create an example an account. As you can see, it's free and no credit card required. You'll be able to transform your handwriting into basically a font. So let's just go and click on create an account. I'm just going to use here my email and I'm going to type here a password as example. Very easy. Of course, you'll have to confirm the password. Agree to the terms and conditions, make sure to read them as well. Click on verify that you're a human and make sure to submit. So let's just wait. So as you can see, almost there, you will have to verify your email address. So I'm just going to my email provider, which is Gmail in my case. They should send me as example a link. I can just go and click on activate your account. Click on activate. And now as example, you can either go through a tutorial and basically they'll tell you exactly how to do it. So how to create your first font, you can go to the top menu, click on templates. On the left panel, click on minimal English and minimal numbers. Then you can here choose download templates and hit download. And of course, you can print out the download template and fill out the blank pen. And felt tip pen as example works better than ballpoint. So basically they show you how to do it. So we don't care about that because it's easy. Let's just go and click on start the app. So right here, an example, your first step is to create a template and print it out. Fill it out, use a scanner, digital camera, or smartphone to capture your filled out template. And on the fonts page, you can choose upload a template option and upload your image file. Finally, click on build font and enjoy your font. As you can see, very simple. So you can click on create a template. And of course, you can choose what language you're trying to write with. Is it English? Is it like Japanese maybe? Or maybe numbers or something like that. For me, let's just say it is English. So you can just go and as you can see right here, no, I don't want to delete anything. So you can remove an example things that you didn't want, like those punctuations, and you can simply click on download the templates. You'll be able to go here to my font example since we don't have any fonts at the moment, so we'll have to create one first. So as they said, we'll have to download the template first. You can choose a PDF or PNG, whatever you want. You can even choose the size of template cells. So if you have like a big handwriting, make sure to have it a little bit more. And you can add the draw helpness, or if you don't want them, you can just turn them off. This is an example, just the small lines to show you how to write or like a letter or something like that. You can even add the characters as background. For me, I'm just going to click on download. And once you download this, as we said, you'll have to so as you can see, you can download your templates from here. So as you can see, they give you like a template and all you need to do is take this, print it out and start writing everything. So write those punctuations, write those letters and write everything. Once you're done with it, as an example, you will have to scan it. Once you scan it, of course, you don't have to print it if you want to. You can even like fill it up online, any like online tool, even print if you want to. You want to draw it by your mouse. So yeah, if you print it, you'll have to scan it. If you didn't print it, if you fill it online, you can just go and re-upload it back. So you can go back here and click on my font. And from here, you'll have to upload your template as example. You can just go and click in here, click on choose a file and make sure to choose the file that we just downloaded. So okay, we didn't download it yet. Let me just go here and click on download. Let's just say I already filled it out. For you, you'll have to fill it out. So yeah, I'm just going to click on this, download, here is it. Click on upload template. So at the moment, I didn't fill it, but for you, once you fill it, you should have your font ready to use. So as an example, the result, we found 0 in the image because I didn't add anything. But for you, calligraphs will automatically match your handwriting to each character. And once it's done, you'll find this build a font option. You can just go and click on it and you'll name it. You'll be able to name it however you want. Then you'll be able to click on download the TTF or TrueType font. And now you have a real font that you can use on Word, on Google Docs, on Photoshop, on Canva, even on your website. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.